Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health after 50? Look no further than cayenne pepper. This fiery spice holds some incredible benefits that can transform your well-being. In this video, we'll reveal 10 remarkable benefits of taking just one cayenne pepper every day. Get ready to unlock the power of cayenne pepper. Did you know that cayenne pepper can give your metabolism a powerful kickstart? The spice contains a compound called capsaicin, which helps boost your metabolic rate. This means you can burn calories more efficiently, leading to weight loss. So stay slim and fit and take a bite of cayenne pepper. Say goodbye to painkillers. Cayenne pepper is a natural pain reliever. When applied topically, its high concentration of capsaicin can help alleviate discomfort from arthritis, muscle soreness, and even migraines. So next time you're in pain, reach for cayenne pepper instead of a pill. If you suffer from digestive issues, cayenne pepper can offer some relief. It stimulates the production of enzymes and gastric juices, enhancing digestion and easing indigestion. Plus, it can help prevent bloating and improve nutrient absorption. Keep your digestive system happy with a dash of cayenne pepper. A healthy heart is essential as we age, and cayenne pepper can lend a helping hand. Studies have shown that its active compound, capsaicin, may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. By including cayenne pepper in your diet, you're giving your heart the support it needs to stay strong. Are you tired of catching every bug that comes your way? Cayenne pepper may be the answer. Packed with immune-boosting properties, this fiery spice can help your body fight off infections and strengthen your immune system. Stay healthy and keep those viruses at bay with a daily dose of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper can also aid in detoxification. Its natural diuretic properties help flush out toxins from the body and promote healthy kidney function. So if you're looking to purify your system and feel refreshed, cayenne pepper is your go-to spice. Improve your blood flow with cayenne pepper. The capsaicin in this spice promotes vasodilation, which widens blood vessels and improves circulation. This can bring more oxygen and nutrients to your organs, leading to increased energy levels and enhanced overall health. If you're living with diabetes, cayenne pepper can offer some support. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, promoting better insulin sensitivity and preventing drastic spikes. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your meals can be a great adjunct to your diabetes management. Cayenne pepper isn't just good for the body, but for the mind too. Studies have shown that the capsaicin in this spice can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. So keep your brain sharp and spice up your life with cayenne pepper. Lastly, cayenne pepper can work wonders for your hair and skin. Its stimulating effects can promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and improve scalp health. Additionally, the spice can help unclog pores, fight acne-causing bacteria, and give your skin a radiant glow. Embrace the power of cayenne pepper for your beauty needs. Cayenne pepper truly is a spice with superpowers. Take care and stay spicy. I invite you to watch this video on my right. It has been an enlightening journey for me, and I believe it could be the same for you.